Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be showing you just straight to the point how to do this dreadlock with extension and a sewing method. I know most of the people that I've come across and told how I did my hair have not like they said they have not seen this style before, but it's a very simple style and very creative, like a crochet braid type, and you sew it in. It lasts longer, it's beautiful and everything. So you can see what she did here is just as simple as the way it is done. So she just braided my hair like a natural hair, as if you're doing box braid with my own natural hair. I'm going to insert the clip there to show you after I braided my hair what it looks like, and then you just put 2 inches of this extension, which I'm still going to attach somewhere just for you to see what the extension looks like. And then you just put leave 2 inches of that extension out and then tuck it under my hair just to cover my own hair. And she used 2 extension from this product, 2 strands, and then what you do is like you put it together and put my hair at the middle of it, and make sure you sew the 2 inches you brought out plus the 2 extension you have, meaning is 4, and the 2 inches is just a little short thing that you have to sew together at the back of my hair, like tuck it in under the hair. I don't know if this makes sense. And you go ahead and sew it until it's tight, and you do sew down, like take your time and sew everything down. Make sure your hair is at the middle of 2 of the extensions, and that way your hair is protected, and at the end of everything is not going to show up out. So she is going to sew this all the way down. So she's still sewing the root of the hair, because the 2 inches that she left, she need to sew it at the bottom to be able to cover my own natural hair and the root. And that is why it's called protective style rather. So she will sew it down all the way down. As you can see, she's doing it. My camera was not focusing because it was just focusing on her hand, and because her hand was just coming in and out. But this is literally what it is. It's just a very simple thing that anybody can do. Anybody can literally do it. So I'm going to, like I said, insert the product, the item I use, which is the extension. I got this extension from AliExpress. So you can literally get it from AliExpress, and it's called Noble Gold, which I'm going to obviously insert, like I said. So as you guys can see, she's just trying to tuck my hair in at the middle and make sure that it's smooth. Then she will start sewing it. Sewing it like literally where the 2 openings are, and making sure that they are closed, and by that my hair is at the middle, and that the sewing is equally clean and neat, if that makes sense. Surely the thread will show, but it's not so obvious that is a thread. It's only you that knows it's a thread, because you know what transpired. Well, like she is the one sewing it and another person sees it, you will never know the difference if it's like a real thread or sewed in or whatever it is. So that's literally what she's doing, trying to sort it out, hide the thread, hide my hair, no tracks at all. So you will see at the ending of this video what it literally looks like, how the after look, everything finished, how it looked. And I am so happy that the outcome is really amazing. She's actually doing this hair for the very first time, so meaning that anyone can literally do it. So just keep watching. I'm just gonna let you watch and enjoy what she's doing, from how she sewed from bottom to the top and from the top to the bottom, like to make it so tight, neat and strong. So y'all should keep watching. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next other video. Don't forget to watch other video, I have a part 1 of this video apparently posted down there, so you can just go and see it and watch more of it and see the things that she did. I was able to show when my hair was braided from the scratch and everything. You'll be able to see everything from that video. But this particular one is just like showing a particular strand that she started from the beginning till the very end, and how she got the pencil mouth and all of that. This is like literally what you need to know about the hair, how it went. But that other video is like clear from the beginning till the end. So I hope this makes sense, and I hope you go back and watch that other video if you do not understand what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching, and thank you for tuning in. I hope to see you in my next other video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Anybody you know that does dread and it's difficult for them, this could be a very good life-saving for them. And to any other person that want to start dread but have short hair or whatever you want to have a long hair all of a sudden overnight, you can literally do this just like I did. Thank you very much, like I said once again, and I'll see you in my next other video, guys. Peace.
tender my heart.